Mirinya.
Ako na.
Ibang kita direkla.
Hello guys, welcome to my vlog with Catherine Digamo Escobar nga bagi na tituray ti Burgos. Alati kami guys. Agdek-decor kami manen para iti moving up ceremony into Bigat and graduation. Bigat Ken Malem. Bigat moving up and Timalem graduation. With ayan nan. The Giant guys. O diba? So makita yun to no kasano nga kapintas iti stage mi may pagpanpanakal nga stage setup. O diba? O dito iti gym naglawa barbarang agkanay amin ti tattao no bigat. Mano ti graduates tayo sis? Sa aribon sa ti graduates. Nagkakanay ko di ti tatta. Awan ti sa aribo. Mga nasa 300 lang siguro. Oh, di ba Ma'am Catherine? Nabandog kan? Oray no.
Nagrigat gayam tagsapol.
Agsapol iti. Iso ti akin bagi ti catering services. Dyan. Tantaranan na mo na sino. Dadyan ang guys. Pasilip tayo sa decoration. O, tignan ninyo guys. Mangrugrugin. Wow. Bongga. Bongga kaday. Bongga. Bongga kaday.
Ito po mo.
Ala ko malayat ka mo ta Catherine. Talang mo tag buy-buyat ug ubraom. Ulit ko nakod.
Thank you!
Ayan na radya yun. Kita awit tabot. Kimalay at hindi nga ito. Uwan mo na akong sis. Panawang kan. Lapo.
Congratulations! Your hard work and dedication have paid off. As we celebrate this achievement, we will also remember the lessons learned, the friendships made, the experience gained, and the teachers who guided you. You have a debt of gratitude to your families who have supported you every step of the way, and to your teachers who have instilled in you the knowledge and skill you need to success. You are the heart of our nation, and we will support you, empower you, and watch you build a brighter tomorrow. Let us spread the spirit of Brothers National High School with us, a spirit of resilience, determination, and thirst for knowledge as we embark on the next chapter of your life. Lastly, ituloy naman diyan para may dessert at time. May I request all junior completers to stand up. Go to your parents. Intelligent parents you.
Ay, kayo man di parents yun. Ara ko po nyo.
Samuel yung parents you.